Hello, vintage decor lovers. Welcome back to Joda Decor, your go-to channel for all things vintage and farmhouse style. Today, we're diving into antique farmhouse treasures and unique ways to style them in your home. If you love rustic charm, timeless elegance, and a touch of history in your decor, this video is for you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Joda Decor for more vintage inspiration. Now, let's get started. There's something truly special about antique farmhouse pieces, each one tells a story. Whether it's a weathered wooden table, a chippy painted cabinet, or a set of old mason jars, these treasures bring warmth and nostalgia to any space. By mixing aged textures, soft neutrals, and authentic vintage finds, you can create a home that feels both cozy and timeless. One of the best ways to incorporate antique farmhouse treasures is with statement furniture pieces. An old farmhouse table can become the heart of your dining room, while a distressed dresser makes the perfect entryway console. Look for pieces with unique details, like carved wood, worn patina, or vintage hardware, to add character and charm to your space. Antique crates, galvanized buckets, and wooden toolboxes are not just decorative, they're also functional storage solutions. Use an old wooden crate as a coffee table or stack vintage suitcases for a unique bedside stand. These pieces provide both form and function, keeping your space organized while maintaining that classic farmhouse feel. Get creative by repurposing vintage finds in unexpected ways. Turn an antique window frame into a wall mirror, transform a weathered ladder into a cozy blanket rack, or use an old door as a rustic headboard. These simple DIY projects breathe new life into forgotten pieces while keeping their vintage charm intact. A farmhouse kitchen wouldn't be complete without charming antique accents. Display vintage enamelware on open shelves, hang old copper pots for a rustic touch, or use an antique bread box as countertop storage. Even a collection of mismatched ironstone dishes can add timeless beauty to your kitchen. Walls are a great canvas for antique-inspired decor. Hang an old barn door as a statement piece, create a gallery wall with vintage frames, or use an antique grain sack as unique wall art. Adding layers of history through decor makes your home feel truly one of a kind. Farmhouse decor is all about creating a warm and inviting atmosphere, and layering textures is key. Mix soft linen with distressed wood, pair vintage lace with rustic metal, and incorporate aged leather for depth. This combination of textures makes a space feel lived in, cozy, and authentically vintage. Wondering where to find these amazing pieces? Antique stores, flea markets, estate sales, and thrift shops are treasure troves for farmhouse lovers. Don't be afraid to dig through stacks of old books, sift through vintage silverware, or negotiate for that perfect rustic table. Each piece you find adds history and personality to your home. And there you have it, unique ways to style antique farmhouse treasures in your home. Which idea was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest vintage decor inspiration. Thanks for watching Joda Decor. See you in the next one.